What's going on YouTube? So right here we're gonna go ahead and start off balding with the Andis Slimline Pros. They are not the LIs, they're the first editions. And yes, this is a GoPro Hero 5 footage, so it's my point of view. Tell me what you think about this footage. I may be using this camera from now on, and yes, I started off. There are some parts where the head is cut off, so I'll make sure to have the camera, focus a little better and angled in the right way. But I felt like the quality and the ability to have a camera playing and recording and still using both hands to cut, this just makes tutorials so much easier that I can possibly drop a lot more tutorials during the week. So right off the back, I jumped to the one guard after starting with the lever open, putting it in the middle, then closing it. Right here, the lever is all the way open with the one guard on there. Then right here, you see on this point of view, you can see me do the lever play. I put it in the middle, going right underneath that dark line. Then I close it all the way. And this is real time. I did not speed this part up. This is me actually cutting in the shop. I'm using a wall cordless seniors. These are my very own pair. I don't have to use Vazios anymore. I picked these up at Orlando Premiere. And now this is a 2-guard. You see how the camera's not catching the top of the head. Don't worry, I'll make sure. This is just a trial run, but it's still good content. So putting the lever in the middle and then closing it. The highest guard I use for this haircut is a number 3 because it's a 4 all the way around. But again, it cut off, so I don't want to put that footage in there. So the highest guard I used was a 3. This is kind of like a high taper in the back. So I went back to the one guard to clean things up, get rid of some dark spots. Now this is the 0 guard or your 1/16 guard, depending on what system you're using. I'm using the premium guards as well. I started with the lever open on this guard, put it in the middle, and then closed it. So right here I put it in the middle, working my way down. And then I'm going to close the lever all the way, right there. And I know you cannot physically see me just because physically see what I'm doing in front, but just know that this is just a trial run. It's good quality, and I'll make sure to have a better angle next time. That taper came out pretty blurry. Now we're gonna work this sideburn. I only show one side again because the angle was off. And he does want to have sideburns, so I didn't go bald. I didn't go to 0. I went to about a 1/4. So the blade, the lever, halfway open. This side I did speed up because it's basically the same steps. Went from my 1 guard to my 2 guard. Now I'm going back down to the 1.5 to clean things up. Then I'll go to the 1 guard to remove some dark spots, and then a 1/2 guard will just bring the blend all the way together. Guys, just a small little plug-in. I did start a fishing YouTube channel, so if you are into fishing, whether it's freshwater or saltwater, feel free to go over to my newest fishing channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's basically going to be a lot of good entertainment when it comes to fishing, freshwater, saltwater, and I'll be putting out weekly content along with dropping content on this channel, of course. I'm not going to forget about my team Gifted, but the name of my new fishing channel is Really Reelin'. I got some help with that name. I think it just is pretty dope. It's clever, so I went with it. Shout out to my boy George. He works at another headlines in New Tampa. He came up with the name Really Reelin'. I already dropped 2 videos on there, so make sure y'all check them out. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment. Again, I'm not going to forget about my team Gifted. I'll be dropping barber tutorials as well, so be super productive on both channels. But now I'm doing some razor work, guys. I put the 245 shave gel on there. That way my client does not get irritated by the razor, and I'm able to go with and against and across the grain real smoothly with no razor irritation or anything like that. But that taper just came out super clean. Again, this is the first trial run using the GoPro. It's the Hero 5, so it's not the 6, but it runs in 1080 and 4K as well. So this is the finished product, number 4, all the way around with a taper. I think the blend came out dope. The content is dope. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below. If I should record with this camera. The only thing you don't get is a blurriness in the background. Guys, just a little testimony right here. The Bronze Series 9 shaver that I'm using right here, my client actually hooked me up and invested in me and actually bought these from me. So shout out to my client for doing that. Build relationships, not clientele. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment. This is a finished product. Team Gifted, stay gifted.